I will say a few things about future research projects that may or may not see the light. Certainly we think that what's listed there has some potential and some interest for research, and therefore we're running these ideas past you. Actually, this morning's session showed that there is already an amazing, spontaneous convergence between our concerns and those expressed by Mark Franklin. Already Alex was talking about synergies between the various components of EUDO. And I think what happened this morning and what we're about to say now shows how this is an almost necessary consequence of the way independently these, or at least almost completely independently, these observatories have been working so far. In a way, we come from different experiences, but we study the same things, and I find it extremely inspiring and potentially useful that in the end we come up with similar conclusions. So this is why, having made this introduction, I will start from the two bottom projects, because these are the ones that we have conceived with Peter already as projects that require a study both at national and at the European level at the same time. We start with parties as campaign organizations at national and European level. Peter already mentioned the potential role of the parties in nominating the EU Commission President and High Rep for Foreign and Security Policy, and obviously this is something that might change the nature of the European campaign, but at the same time we have, I think, a longer lasting problem, that of determining how non-European EP election campaigns have always been. So what we want to do is study a national and European campaign to address campaigns over a 5-year period in the 27 member states. So this will include at least one national election and the European election for all 27 countries. And this way we hope to provide answers to both questions. The second one has to do with the impact of electoral law discrepancies on multi-level party systems. This is part of our wider concern of what really is a European party system. The European party system is to a large extent a fictionalized expression. I think Peter made a good point to show that. And how can it become more European? Obviously, it can become more European if it does not in any way conflict in its Euro-level expressions with the national level party systems. And by looking at how different electoral laws impact on the individual member state party systems at national and European level, we hope to come to some meaningful conclusions on that too.